Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. So previous class, I taught degrees of comparison. I hope you understand degrees of comparison. There are three types of degrees of comparison. What are they? Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So in workbook, I taught 6 blanks yesterday's class. So remaining, I'll explain now. Okay. So after that, we'll go for first switch. Okay. Seventh one here. Cheetah runs. Cheetah runs. Dash then. Z. So here options are fast, faster, fastest. Now tell me what is the correct answer here? Okay, Alexia. Ayan. What is that? Faster. Why? Because here after the blank we have than. That means it is a comparative degree. So for comparative degree we have to use faster. Okay? Very good. Next one. Pen is dash then this word. Here options. Mighty. So your book mighty given mighty and compare it to mightier. Superlative is mightiest. So in this, please check the correct answer here. That is not mighty, wrong answer. Actually, here have you seen that after the blank we have done? That means after adjective we have done. If we have done after the adjective, that means it is the comparative degree. So for comparative degree, we have to use mightier, not mighty. Mighty is the positive degree. Mightier, comparative, and mightier superlative. So we have to use comparative degree. So we should write mightier here. Don't follow blindly your workbook now. Here is the dash boy in the class. So here options: intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. So have you seen here word intelligent? It has 3 syllables. So if the word has more than 2 syllables, we have to use more or most for the comparative and superlative degrees. Okay. So here, observe this blank. Kiran is the dash boy in the class. So here, before the blank, if we see article the, definite article the, that means it is the superlative degree. Okay. For superlative degree, which word we have to use here? Intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. Vignesh. Okay, very good. So we should use most intelligent. Kiran is the most intelligent boy in the class. Most intelligent boy in the class. Next, 10th one. This is the dash book which I ever read. Which I ever read. Here options. Here options not given in your textbook, syllabus book. So those options are right here. Positive degree good, comparative better, and superlative is best. Okay. So without giving answers, also you are sending. That means you are blindly following your workbook. So here look at here. This is the dash book which I ever read. So before the blank we have definite article the. That means it is the this sentence belongs to superlative degree. So what is the superlative degree here? Good, better, best. This is positive, comparative, and superlative. That means best is the correct answer. Okay, right. This is the best book which I ever read. Right. So after completion of the seventh bit, open page number 20. Page number 20. On your videos, page number 21. Completed? Okay. Shall I raise? Now open page number 20, first bit. And the same bit you have in your textbook. Okay? I'll not explain the textbook, I'll explain the workbook. Okay? Then you can copy from this. Same blanks you have in your textbook also. Okay? Okay, very good. Look at here. First, some of the clues given here. Protection. Fill in the blanks from first page. Fill in the blanks. So this blank belongs to your lesson. Okay? And clues also given from your lesson. Protection. First clue is protection. Next, caution. Next clue is nestling. Oh. Next, grieved. And next clue is sought. Next, implemented. Next clue, dotted. Frogged. Hurted. Okay. Now, look at the first blank on your videos, everyone. Soon after the dash were hatched. The elephant herd arrived. Herd arrived. Okay, look at here this blank. Soon after the dash was hatched, the elephant herd arrived. So what was hatched? What was hatched here? Nestlings. Nestlings means baby is here. Okay. Soon after the nestlings were hatched, the elephant herd arrived. So here, where did you find the nestling? The third clue is the correct answer for first blank. Okay. So I'll write number one here. Nestling. Nestling means young quills. Okay. Very good. Second blank. I can only I can only fall at their feet, fall at their feet and wait for dash cried the mother. Cried the mother. So look at here. I can fall at their feet and beg for dash. Cried the mother. So what purpose it wanted to beg for the elephants? So what purpose? To protecting her baby quills. Okay. So here, did you see here any clue in these clues from these clues? Find out the clue which is correct suitable for this blank. Still nobody sent answer. Vignesh. Okay, very good. Protection. Okay. I can only fall at their feet and beg for protection. So what protection? Protection of the young quills. Okay. Protection. Cried the mother. When the herd was leaving, third one, when the herd means a group of elephants. Okay. Herd was leaving, the leader dash about a rock elephant. Rock elephant. Okay. So did you find the answer? When the herd was the leader dashed about a rogue elephant. Which is the correct answer here? When the herd was leaving, one of the elephant, who is leader elephant, Bodhisattva, he said something about the rogue elephant. What did he say? Caution. Okay, very good. So here answer is caution. That means he told the precautions to take care of its babies from the rogue elephant. Right. Have you written the first blank? If you read the first blank, I'll erase. Next, fourth one. The mother will dash about her family for a long time. for a long time. Okay, what is the answer here? The mother will dash about her family for a long time. So what we did? Grieved. Why? Because the rogue elephant killed its babies and father will. That's why it was grieved. Grieved means it felt very sad for so many days. Okay. So here, grieved is the correct answer. Next blank. Shall I write the second blank? Second one. Today itself, we have to write in your textbook these answers. Okay. Fifth one. She dash to teach a lesson. Teach a lesson to the rogue elephant. To the rogue elephant. Rogue elephant. So she dashed to teach a lesson to the rogue elephant. She means here mother pig. So she something did to teach a lesson to a rogue elephant. What is that? Look at here. Nesting also completed, grieve completed, questions and protection also completed. The remaining words you search for the answer. What is that? Oh, very good, Vignesh. So, old means it took promise. It took a promise to teach a lesson to the rogue elephant. Old. Old to teach a lesson to the rogue elephant. I'm raising the third blank one. Hope you have written this. Next, sixth one. The quill went to her friends. The quill went to her friends. The crow, the ant, the ant, and the frog. And the frog to dash help. So here the quill went to her friends. So after the rogue elephant killed its babies and father quill, so the mother quill went to her friends. Who are her friends? The crow, the ant, and the frog. So why it went to her friends? To take help from her friends. So what we call that help here according to our lesson, what word used in the instead of the help? Sought. Okay. So sought is the correct answer here. Very good students, you sent all the answers. So to sought help, that means to take help. Okay. To ask and to take it. I mean, I think the fourth blank. Right, seventh one here. The three friends, the three friends dash the quill's plan. Dash the quill's plan. So what they did? These three friends. What is that? Send answers. Okay. The three friends dared the twins' plan. What they did with that plan? They implemented it. They implemented the plan. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Implemented. Right. Shall I erase the fifth blank? Next blank one. Write fast. Don't take much time. Just you have to write answer. The crow dash at the elephant and flashed out the elephant's eyes. Out the elephant's eyes. Now tell me what is the answer here? Dotted. Very good, Rajput Manisha. Very good, ma. The crow dashed at the elephant and flattened out the elephant's eyes. Dotted means ran quickly towards the elephant. Here answer is dotted. Let's get dotted. Ran fast quickly. Okay. So I'm writing the sixth blank, ma. Here I place ninth blank. The ninth one. The frog closed, dash closed, close to sleep, close to its teeth, precipice. So, what did frog done here? What was the frog done? Cracked. Okay. Like yeah. The frog cracked close to a steep precipice. So, cracked. Ninth one, cracked. That means it was cracking so that the elephant thought that there is a water nearby. That's why it was cracked close to a steep precipice. Okay. Next, 10th one. Soon the elephant, soon the elephant, soon the elephant dashed down to his head. Okay. So the answer is, what is the only one answer left? Already Rajput, Manisha, Alekhya, Ayan. Very good, ma. 13th. Okay, 13th. Last answer is 13th. That means head. Okay, down to his head. Okay, right. So after completion of this blank, we will go for missing letters. Okay, very fast. On your videos, mom. Shall I read these blanks? Clues, there is no need to write clues. Next page. Fill in the blanks with missing letters. Second bit now. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with missing letters. To make complete words. Complete words. And these words also belongs to your lesson. Okay. You can hear the first blank. The shaded row also. The shading row also the dash here, yeah, dash dash row dash or dash dash grading grading ground up instead of elephant. So can you find this word I have written here? The shading row also the favorite grazing ground of a herd of elephant. What is the spelling of favorite? Favorite. Right. Already easy. Grazing place of grazing ground of a herd of elephants. Okay, ma, time is over. Remaining plans I will explain tomorrow. I hope you understand today's session. Thank you.